Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So the other day I was just chilling and I started thinking and I was like, oh my goodness, it has now been over 6 months since I moved to Korea. It's been almost 7 months. And I feel like by that 6th month mark, you kind of like have a very good feel for the things you like about living in a place and the things you don't like. So I thought it would be fun if I just hop on here and do a video telling you guys all the things that I absolutely love about living in South Korea, because there are so many things that I absolutely adore about living here. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you have any other like sit down style videos that you want me to do, definitely let me know. And of course, with living in any place, it's not always rainbows and butterflies. So there are some things that I don't like about living in Korea. And if you want to see one of those videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments. And if you guys have ever been to Korea yourself and there were things that you loved or you didn't love, definitely share them down in the comments because I would love to hear. But anyways, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing that I absolutely love about Korea is the convenience factor of so many different things. When I went back to America in December, I realized like how much Korea excels in this. There are convenience stores literally on almost every block here. For example, if it is 2 a.m. and you are craving a sweet potato, you can literally go to a convenience store, which chances are there's probably one on your block, and you can get a sweet potato that is just cooking there, very warm, waiting for you. And along with the convenience factor is just the quickness of delivery here. I know in America we had Amazon Prime, which is something you have to pay for, but in Korea, if you order something online, for the most part, this doesn't go for everything, but for the most part, it will get to you the next day, sometimes that same day, or maybe like 2 days later, and you don't have to pay any extra for shipping. Most of the time shipping is free. Because Korea is such a small country, you can mail something to your friend in the morning and it can literally get to them in the evening if they live on the opposite side of the country. So I thought that was pretty cool. The second thing I love about Korea is the low rate of crime. So I have actually never had any kind of situation here in which I have felt like I was in danger. I think the most dangerous situation I've been in is just driving in a taxi, because those taxi drivers are absolutely crazy sometimes. You can walk at almost any hour of the day, given that you're in like, you know, the city. Obviously, like I've never lived in a rural area, so I can't speak for that. But if you are living in a city, for the most part, you don't have to worry about being like mugged at 3 a.m. in the morning, or like even walking home at like 4:30 in the morning. I have never felt unsafe. Now obviously, if you're coming here, don't be too naive. Definitely be aware of your surroundings. But like for example, when I'm on the subway, I never ever have to worry about being like pickpocketed or someone reaching in my purse, because Korean people just don't really do those types of things. Versus I feel like in America or Europe, like that type of stuff happens all the time. I was talking to my friend and like, for example, if you were to literally put your phone down here on a bench and walk away, I feel like you could come back an hour later and your phone would still be there, or someone would have just turned it into the police station, because I feel like people here just don't steal. There's also cameras everywhere here. Like everywhere you look, you will see a camera. So I feel like that also plays a part in why people don't want to commit crimes. That being said, crime still does happen everywhere. So as I said, don't be too naive to your surroundings. Third thing I love about Korea is their amazing healthcare system. Healthcare here is so incredibly cheap. One time I had food poisoning and I went to see a doctor and I got prescribed 2 different kinds of medicine, and I got an IV put inside of me to like restore my body or something like that. And I only paid 10,000 won for all of that. And that comes out to, I think, around $7 or $8 for all of that. I've also noticed that healthcare is extremely fast here. Like I've never really had to sit and wait for a really long time. You hear these stories all the time about Americans going to the emergency room and then they have to like wait 4 or 5 hours to see someone. And I feel like in Korea that is not as prevalent. Another example of how healthcare is amazing is in America, if you want to take birth control, you have to go see a doctor, you have to talk to them, you have to get like a specific kind prescribed, and you got to take that to the pharmacy, and then you have to pay every month for your prescription. But in Korea, you can literally just walk into a pharmacy show the pharmacist the kind you want and they just give it to you, and it's less than $10 per month. And it's interesting because with the virus going around right now, a lot of people are saying if you're gonna catch the virus, the best place to get it is in Korea because it is so incredibly cheap to deal with healthcare here. All right, the fourth thing I love about Korea is just their overall appreciation for beautiful aesthetics. When you're walking around here, there are so many little touches I feel like different people and companies do to the outside of their building just to make it a really aesthetically pleasing place. I'll always be walking and I just want to like pull over and take a picture or something just because it's so pretty. This one's kind of hard to explain unless like you've been here. I guess if you've been here, you would probably understand what I'm talking about. But people here just put a lot of time into the way their businesses look, or like even if you go to a mall, they're incredibly aesthetically pleasing. And if you've watched my vlogs, you would probably know that by now. The fifth thing I love about Korea is their amazing transportation system. So you guys see in my vlogs all the time, sometimes I'll just go to Seoul for the day. So you can literally go across the country. It takes about 2.5 hours and it only costs about $60 for a ticket. So their transportation system is amazing. Never once here have I really wanted to have my car back. Obviously, living in America, I needed to have a car to get anywhere, but here transportation is so cheap. Subways and buses here are so incredibly cheap. I know some cities in America, subway is actually pretty expensive, like New York, for example. I know subway is not super cheap there. Here it is 1,500 won per way, which is less than $1.50. And then also taxis are so cheap. If you want to take a 30-minute taxi ride here, it's probably gonna cost you like $10. I'm not even kidding. The sixth thing I love about Korea, you guys probably saw this one coming, but the cafe culture is just off the walls. It's amazing. I love it. There's just, I feel like an abundant amount of cafes where I live. So that means there's always somewhere to go, something to do. And a lot of these cafes have their own like different themes. So for example, there's like slime cafes here. So if you want to go and like make your own kind of slime, then you can. And it's just always nice to go to a cafe with your friends and just get out of your house. The seventh thing I love about Korea, and this is actually kind of like a love-hate. So if I do a video talking about things that I don't like in Korea, I'll probably talk about this too. But sometimes I really do love the amount of effort people here put into their appearance. I know it can also be a really negative thing, so don't worry, I'm aware of that. But it is really nice when you go outside and you look around and everyone is just beautiful here. Like, you will not really see somebody that is looking like they just rolled out of bed. And if they do look like that, they probably have like a mask and a hat on and like a hoodie. I feel like it just makes for like an overall like really nice atmosphere. I feel like this is a very controversial point. The eighth thing I love about Korea is their food culture. Food is a huge part of Korea. If you make a new friend, they're probably gonna ask you all throughout the day, hey, have you eaten? Did you have lunch? Did you have dinner? What are you gonna eat next? What did you eat yesterday? What are you gonna eat tomorrow? So Koreans love food, and I just love the fact that there are so many restaurants here. These restaurants don't close early. Like, I've literally never seen a restaurant here close before 10 p.m. Like, I feel like most restaurants are open until like on the weekends at least like 2 a.m. Street food culture is so much fun. When it's nighttime, you can just go out to a little street food stand, and for super cheap you can get like a ton of different little food on sticks or in little cups, which is really fun to share with your friends. And then also their delivery service is just absolutely amazing. If you go outside, you'll see all these scooters with delivery food, little baskets on the back, just driving around because people here love to order delivery and it gets to you extremely fast. And you can order almost anything to eat. Sometimes I wish I was like a mukbang channel because it would be so easy to be a mukbanger here because you can just order on your phone pretty much anything and then it comes to you within like 30 minutes. And what's nice about the delivery here is they don't tack on a ton of fees. Like, usually you just have to pay a minimum of I think $15 for your meal and then they'll just bring it to you. So super cheap and affordable. All right, the ninth thing I love about Korea is their fashion industry and just Korean people's sense of style. I feel like back in the States, most guys don't exactly have a huge sense of style. At least the guys that I met, I feel like they don't really care that much. But here, like, people care and people are not afraid to dress up. For the most part, everyone here does look really nice when they go out. I'm not saying people here like always go out in like blazers and stuff like that, but people, you can tell like people just put a lot of thought into their outfits. I love the abundance of clothing stores that there are here. in the subway stations, there are literally like hundreds of these shops that just have so many clothes, and when you're walking outside, there's always tons of shops. So you will never be too far from a clothing store here, and the clothes are also pretty affordable. And the 10th thing I love about Korea is their overall kindness to foreigners. For the most part, this doesn't go for everyone. It's really common for like a taxi driver to like strike up a conversation and like ask you what you do here and if you like it. And people, a lot of times they go out of their way to try and help you if they can tell that you need help. So for example, one time, this was like right when I moved here, I accidentally got on the wrong train from Daegu. So it's like an hour away. I was on the wrong train, and like I was just standing on the train while it was moving because I could tell that I was on the wrong train, and this lady could tell that I was like not on the right train. I think she could see me like trying to figure out my phone, and she like came over to me and she was like, hey, like, can I help you with something? What can I help you with? And she was just a passenger. She wasn't even working on the train. So I just thought that was like so nice and touching. People here, I've noticed, are very giving. So they, a lot of times, like they'll just like throw in free food. Like if you go to one of the food stalls on the street, they'll just like give you free food. When I went out to eat with my friend the other night, they like gave us 2 free octopus just because we were there. And the whole giving aspect, I feel like, is something that starts very, very young in their culture, because a lot of my students, they will always come over to me and they'll just like shove snacks into my hands, and I feel like that's something that American students don't do so much. All right, so that sums it up for the 10 things I love about Korea. There's also a lot more things I love, so maybe I'll do a part 2 to this video. I feel so lucky every single day that I'm able to live in a place that offers so many advantages compared to some other countries. So yeah, I just feel like there's so much to love about this place. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Look, Cleo has been passed out for this whole video. She's so cute. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.